Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to unbox AMPROBE 5XPA compact digital multimeter. So this is provided by AMPROBE and we're going to unbox and look what inside in this box. Okay, let's go. So let's take a look at what the AMPROBE provides us inside the box. So first of all, as usual, the user manual of the digital multimeter. So it called as 5XPA series here, and then the warranty and also the safety informations, the test lead. This is the magnetic pack for the hanging strap for this digital multimeter. And lastly, this is the AMPROBE 5XPA compact digital multimeter. So let's find it closely what it can do. This multimeter known as a compact digital multimeter for demanding applications such as on contractors, facilities and also commercial applications. So it built with the compact and rugged look. So the black or the grey color one is a holster to withstand the water splash and also dust during the usage of this multimeter. So it has both Cat 3 300 volt and also Cat 2 600 volt. Other than that, it has a wheel design of multimeter. So basically it can change from voltage AC, voltage DC, and then change to DC current and also AC current here, and you can change the impedance. So it has a range that you want to measure up to. So you will take on the voltage AC voltage here. So you can go from 200 millivolt up to 600 volt. So it's very user friendly and very easy to use. Other than that, it has a 200 milliampere fuse for safety of current. Then this digital multimeter can change from the minimum or maximum volt values and can hold the data. So what surprised us is actually the non-contact voltage detector here. Press here, not enough, and you can hear the sound of the non-contact voltage detectors. Later I will show you in figures how you want to use this non-contact voltage detector. So over here, this is a magnetic hanging strap for the digital multimeter. So it's very easy to use. Let's put around at the back of the holster, and then you can hang on the metal or steel that very good in conductor for the magnetic to hang on. So if you want to go on the cramp area, want to measure up to inside the cramp area, so you can hang on the metal strap or the metal panel and take a measurement. So I want to review about the non-contact voltage, or we can call it as a voltage technology for AMPROBE. So if you press here, if not press it, so if there's no power, there's no voltage to detect. But if there is a voltage or the power is on, so there is a voltage and it can detect for you. So that's the non-contact voltage or the Voltec technology from AMPROBE. So it comes within this 5XPA compact digital multimeter with you. So if you want to do a quick checkup on your DB or your panel, so you can just press here to check there is a leakage or there is no leakage. So it's very easy to use and very easy to conduct. So it's very small and very rugged. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. For more product review and also unbox sessions, so leave a comment down below, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.